Here is an exercise for you. Pause the video and try to find a solution yourself. When you are ready, press play to see an example solution. And here is an example solution. From I equal 1 until I is less or equal 20, I plus plus, and if I modulo 3 is equal 0 and I modulo 5 is equal 0. So for numbers divisible by both 3 and 5, let's console log the number and Fizz Buzz. And else if number is divisible by 3, let's console log I and Fizz. And else if number is divisible by 5, console log Buzz. Else console log the number itself. And this is the result. A common mistake with this task is to do something like this. So let's check if the number is divisible by 3 first, and then check if the number is divisible by 3 and 5 at the end. And this is incorrect because Fizz will be printed for numbers like 15, which is divisible by both 3 and 5. Make sure to check for numbers divisible by both 3 and 5 first, as this condition is more specific. If checked later, it won't be reached because the program will already have matched one of the other conditions. So let's return to the previous solution. And now we get correct FizzBuzz printed if the number is divisible by both 3 and 5.